Hi, my name is Pinkal Gandhi. I'm a nurse practitioner here in London, Ontario. One of the most common concerns I hear from my patient is about skin tags, what they are and whether they can be safely removed. So I'm going to educate you about today what the skin tags are. Skin tags are very common benign growths. They often appear in the areas such as neck, eyelid, around the eyes, underarms, and even groin area. Sometimes I will even find skin tags on people's back or in the buttocks area, or they can be anywhere on the body. And there are several reasons why somebody develops these skin tags. One of the reasons is hormones. If there's hormonal fluctuation in people's body, then they may develop some skin tags. People who are carrying some excess weight, they can develop some skin tags. People with diabetes, they are also more prone to developing skin tags. And sometimes just genetics play a role in it. If your mom, dad, your grandparents had lots of skin tags, especially in particular area of the body, you may find that you have also developed skin tags in the same area. I'll have people who have skin tags all around their necks or all around their eyes, and they will tell me that their mom or their dad also had the skin tags in the same area. So these are pretty common reasons why somebody will develop skin tags. The good news is skin tags are not dangerous. However, it is important to have any new or changing lesion properly assessed to confirm the diagnosis. Another very common question I get asked is, can you remove it? And the answer is yes. We offer safe in-clinic removal options that are quick and effective. There are several removal options that we have in clinic that we offer for the removal of the skin tags depending on its size and the area where the skin tags are. Some of the common ways to remove skin tags are cryotherapy, electrocauterization, snip excision, shave excision, or even a deeper excision with some suturing. Patients often also ask, does it hurt? Well, most procedures are very well tolerated. You may feel a mild discomfort, but treatments are usually quick and we take steps to keep you as comfortable as possible. Now, another most important concern is, will it leave a scar? Well, in most cases, skin tags removal heals very well with minimal to no noticeable scarring, especially when treated professionally and with proper aftercare. And of course, we get also asked if, can I remove this at home? I would strongly advise against that. At-home removal can lead to bleeding, infection, improper healing, and there is always a risk of misdiagnosing the lesion. It could be something more concerning and you're trying to remove it, and then you can run into some trouble there. At our clinic, every treatment begins with thorough assessment to ensure it is appropriate and safe to remove. So, if you have a new lesion that appears to be a skin tag, have it assessed by a medical professional. Make sure it is a skin tag rather than trying to remove it at home. And if it is a skin tag, you have removal options available to you in the safe medical environment. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our clinic, book an appointment, book a consultation, and see what your removal options are. And we'll be happy to see you. Thank you.